Malacanang has assured the public that government operations will not be affected or delayed even as the Senate proceeds with the impeachment of trial of Vice President Sara Duterte. Cresceline Catarong reports.
Malacanang has assured the public that the administration will remain focused on implementing government projects and programs despite ongoing political issues. According to Presidential Communications Office Undersecretary Claire Castro, government operations will continue uninterrupted, even as the Senate conducts the impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Duterte. Castro said the executive branch remains fully committed to its work and will not allow government projects to be delayed because of impeachment-related matters.
Patuloy po nagtatrabaho kahit ano pa po ang issue. Maliban lamang po kung may mga taong gusto talaga maantala ang proyekto ng Pangulo. Pero siyempre po yan po ay lalabanan. At hindi papayagan na maantala ang mga proyekto ng gobyerno dahil lamang sa ibang mga obstructionists.
Meanwhile, the palace also emphasized that the Senate has its own mandate both as an impeachment court and as a legislative body. Castro said senators are fully aware of their responsibilities and schedule, including hearing the impeachment case while continuing their legislative duties.
Sa ating palagay, responsable naman din po ang mga senador natin para tapusin ang kanilang trabaho. Huwag na lang sana magkaroon ng pagboboykot muli ng mga sessions.
On claims that the impeachment proceedings have divided Filipinos, Castro maintained that promoting accountability and transparency in government is ultimately for the benefit of the public and should not be a source of division. She added that the real cause of disunity is the spread of misinformation and attempts to conceal evidence in order to protect certain individuals.
Kailangan po ng taong bayan na makita ang katotohanan. Pag nakita po natin ang katotohanan, mas lalo tayo magkakaisa dahil alam natin kung kailan tayo dapat maniwala at kung kailan tayo dapat hindi maniwala sa mga sinasabi ng iba.
Reporting for Newsline World, this has been Cresceline Catarong, SMNI News.